Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert USDC to USDT on Bitget. So first open any of the web browser and in the top there's this address bar, type down Bitget and enter it. From here select this bitget.com official website from here, and once you're inside this homepage, what you need to do is you need to go under this trade in the top, and from the trade here you need to click onto this convert and block trade here. So from here, what you need to do is over here, in order to convert, you need to select convert. You need to select from USDC here, type on USDC, and select this crypto. And next, in you need to select two and type down USDT. And click onto this USDT here. And after that, you can simply enter the amount of USDC. And after that, you need to enter the amount of USDC again over here. And after that, you can click on to this convert to complete the swap, and the USDT is typically credited to your spot amount account immediately after a successful conversion. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.